Hey everybody, welcome back. This is coming to you starting on December 24th. So if you celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas to you. If not, Happy Holidays, and wish everybody the best. So today we want to talk a little bit about another company, another potential 10, 20 bagger type company dealing with security, aerospace, and defense, utilizing drones, ballistic products, and they have an artificial intelligence unit to apply to these products. So this company is none other than SafePro Group, SPAI, the call symbol, founded in just 2020 and IPOing just in August of 2024. And the IPO price was at $5 a share. So at the present price of $3.78, it's pretty intriguing. So let's talk a little bit more about what has tripped this to come on to my radar screen and why I think this is an interesting company. Well, they have some very interesting drone capabilities and visualization and detection using artificial intelligence, looking for things such as landmines and for anomalies that are out there. And this technology has actually been tested and proven out in Ukraine. So you've got real world examples of this technology working. That's pretty exciting that this company has been able to do that for a company that hasn't been around very long. So we have things such as helmets, body shields, ballistic type things to protect, police, military type of people. So they've got a number of different products. It's very interesting. This is a U.S. based in Florida, manufactured in the United States. Has military applications as well as we've covered. And also they've got some commercial applications as they're doing some aerial inspections with their drones and their visualization software to detect if things such as radio towers, cell towers, other things are in good shape, or if they need repair, or if something's damaged them. So there's a lot of applications for the technology, and another interesting company in that whole security, aerospace, defense, safety type area. So it's very interesting. So let's take a look at the particulars and see what that looks like. With a market cap of just $52 million, this is another small cap company. Again, going public, IPO'd in just August of this year, and IPOing at a price above where we're currently trading at. This stock, SPAI, has seen a trading range of $1.55 and then all the way up to $6.50. So presently at $3.78 a share, with a one day when it went IPO down over 14%, it didn't meet with much fanfare. But what's exciting is really the next category we typically cover, which is the revenue. SPAI, SafePro Group, just announced in just recent days that they're expecting a revenue surge. So the 2024 year end, they're expecting revenues of $2 million. I know, small amount, but small company just getting started with a lot of addressable market in between. Actually quite impressive. When you look at the increase over a prior year is 130%. So they're growing rapidly. There's good adaptation of their products. It's been proven out in, say, the Ukraine. Florida police are using things. There's commercial applications. So, and they have an AI twist that excites a lot of us in just how they have been able to machine learn, visualizing things from drone footage, feeding it into their systems, and coming out with indicators that say, there's mines here, let's do this, let's keep this safe, this is where we have to look and take care of business. Very interesting. So, of course, since they did come public in just August of this year, that means they still are flush with that IPO cash. Of course, it's not a profitable venture yet, but when you get in on the ground floor of these small companies, this is how it starts. Higher risk, but another in that safety, security, aerospace, defense, keep us all safe type mode with a commercial twist for aerial inspection, review, and viewing to determine if things are okay. There's a lot to cover here, and for a company that's so small, you know what happens if when you start exploding the revenue up, the stock price multiplies rapidly. So if you find yourself with a little extra cash stuck in your stocking, and you're willing to take a little bit of risk, Safe Pro Group or SPAI could be an interesting play to consider. Do your own due diligence. As for me, yeah, I own a little bit of it and picked it up recently. I like the outlook. I like when I see something projected to increase exponentially from a growth perspective, I know that profits follow, and I know where the stock price heads. So it's got me pretty excited. But decide for yourself, and I hope this helps. Let me know what you're doing. And if you have any questions, we'll talk to you soon, and happy holidays.